Hey there! Before we dive into today's content, I just want to take a moment to express my deepest gratitude to every single one of you for being here today. I really appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. So welcome to today's DIY session. We are going to create a fabulous bodycon dress, which I don't know if you watch any of my videos before. I have created a few of these before, but I love them and I cannot stop making them. We're going to make it from scratch using this stretchy jersey fabric, which I absolutely love. And do you want to know the best part? You do not need a pattern. So let's get started on our bodycon dress. Since we are working with a stretchy fabric, we do not need a pattern. Instead, we will use our measurements and just very few simple calculations to create a custom fit. Always measure the fullest part of your bust and your hips and the smallest point of your waist. However, if you do not feel comfortable in taking your measurements, if you do not have a measuring tape, don't worry about it. Just trace something that is more fitted to you. You can start with a fitted t-shirt and then keep going and create the bottom part of your dress. It's fairly easy. But let's talk about why it's so important to learn how to sew your own clothes in today's economy. With prices skyrocketing and these budgets are getting smaller and smaller, I think being able to create your own wardrobe is a game changer. And by sewing your own clothes, you have complete control over the cost and quality of your garments. No more settling for overpriced pieces that don't even fit you right, or at least it happens to me a lot of times. However, once you have your measurements, it's time to start cutting. Since jersey fabric is so forgiving and stretchy, you can afford to be a little bit flexible with our cutting lines. So carefully cut along the lines, making adjustments as needed to ensure you have a snug fit. That's why I love a bodycon dress, because of the way it hugs my shape and because how snug it feels. So now that you have your pieces cut out, it's time to sew them together. This time I will be using a black thread for my serger because I just want to highlight and I want to show you the stitches and how easy it is. But if I would normally sew this dress for myself and for any of my clients, I would most likely use zigzag stitch or maybe even the stretch stitch on my sewing machine to accommodate the stretchiness of the fabric. And just like that, we are sewing our own bodycon dress. And so with a little bit of time and creativity, you can create a wardrobe full of custom-made pieces like I do on a daily basis that fit you perfectly and that won't break your bank. So next time you're tempted to splurge on a new outfit, why not try making it yourself? Not only do you save money, but you also gain valuable skills and have the satisfaction of wearing something really unique created for yourself with your own two hands. Along the way, I can tell you from my personal experience, you're going to make a crazy amount of mistakes. No doubt about that. And I have made so many mistakes while I was learning, and not only then, and I'm still making mistakes every single day. But I'm learning out of every single one of my mistakes, and I turn that into a positive experience. And remember, in today's economy, learning how to sew your own clothes isn't just a hobby. I think it's really practical. And to be honest with you, I feel like it's a very empowering skill that you can save your money and elevate your style as well. It's nothing, for me, nothing beats the fact that I'm having something unique created for myself, just one unique single piece.
But if you don't want
So to all of you already subscribed, I just wanted to say a massive thank you. Your support means the world to me, and I'm truly grateful for every like, comment, and share. And if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. And from the bottom of my heart, I thank you again for being here today and for being part of my journey. I hope you have an amazing day. See you soon. Same place. Take care. Goodbye.